You've probably heard names like Tomcat, Nginx, Apache, Node.js, but what do they actually do? And what's the difference between a web server and an application server? When you build a modern website or web app, there's usually more than one server involved. New developers often mix them up because they feel like they're doing the same job, but they are actually very different. Let's explain this in the simplest way possible, using a restaurant. So, in a restaurant, the waiter takes your order, brings the menu, and delivers the food. The chef cooks food in the kitchen. Both are part of the dining experience, but they have totally different responsibilities. Now, a web server is the waiter. It receives requests from users, handles simple static things like HTML, CSS, images, and forwards more complex orders to the kitchen if needed. For example, Nginx, Apache HTTP server. If the users just want show me the homepage, the web server can handle that immediately. Now, the application server is the chef. This is where real logic runs. Database queries, authentication, business rules, code executions, Java, Python, etc. For example, Node.js, Spring Boot. So, when the request needs processing, like logging in, calculating a cart total, or fetching user data, it's handled there. So, the flow is user send request, web server received it. If it's simple, responds immediately. If it needs logic, forward to the app servers process it and returns the result. Lastly, web servers delivers the result to users, just like customers, waiter, chef, waiter, customer. So why does this matter? Splitting the work makes website faster, more scalable, more secure, and easier to manage. That's why nearly every serious app uses this model. They need both a waiter and a chef to keep things running smoothly.